Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous two videos I explained that how we can validate the user data. The first one is from the controller and the other one is from the creating new request. So what is the difference between creating from the new request and from the validating from the controller? So let's first understand that what is a solid. Solid stand for single responsibility principle, open and dependency inversible, etc. And you can also learn it from this video. It's this girl is explaining very well. It's a Laracon. It's recorded on the Laracon, so you can learn it what is a solid. So our request logic is lying in this first S. So it means that single responsibility principle. So in the controller we are accepting a request and validating the user here from this array, right? We implemented our logic there. So it means that now our request is used for multiple purposes, like it's first validating the request and then saving the data into the database. So solid says that our one class is responsible for single repository principle. It means that it will handle only single logic. So it means that we need to define our logic somewhere else and we can call them there. So we define our logic in the create request, and now we are calling this here, right? We are injecting this here. So this is the best practice. Why? Because if I want to interpret this request, so our application, for example, our application is very huge and I want to change their create requests, so I need to manually go to the each controller and then find their request and then change them from there. But if I follow the solid principle, so our all requests will be stored there. So I manually go to the this request directory. I don't need to go to the each controller and I will interpret with this request. So that is the beauty of separation of concepts. So you can follow the solid rules. I will attach the link in the description. So our major concern is that why we are using this create request. That's why I did a separate video on it, so you know that why we are using this. So that's it for this video, and if you have any question you can comment this in the comments box. So thank you, bye bye.